Hi, this is Eric Miller from iPhone Photography School, and in this video you'll learn about the artistic tools in Enlight. One of the really neat things about Enlight is that in addition to doing realistic photo editing, it has a few more expressive options where you can experiment and try out some different things. The painting tool is a fun one because it has a lot of neat presets. Many of them are subtle, and some of them are pretty extreme. Now you might look at this and think, well, I would never do that because that doesn't look like anything. But again, remember, you can always just decrease the amount of what that filter is doing. And if we bring it back just so it's kind of subtle, it makes sort of a neat effect for this particular photo. It gives it kind of a dreamy quality. I like this one quite a bit. The urban tool in artistic is great for urban settings. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You can see it does some pretty extreme things to your photo. It's changing the color and also putting some overlays of different things on it. And remember, again, you can always customize these. I'm going to click on Tools, and if I don't like that backdrop that's on there, I can just get rid of that. I can also control how the colors are affecting the image. Watch what happens here when I move the threshold, and then when I move the smooth, I can add a lot more detail into that photo and maybe bring that threshold just down a tiny bit. So I don't know that I would ever do this, but some people might really like this particular look. You have a lot of control over what you can do with the urban tool. Go ahead and back up, and the last one I want to show you here is the sketch tool. I'm going to bring in this photo of this building here. The sketch tool makes it look like a pencil sketch, which again is not a realistic look, but is kind of a fun thing to try out. If you find something you like, you can just bring down or bring up the amount of the filter. And again, you can fine-tune these a little bit farther, by how big the strokes are that are in there. And if you want to rotate them at a specific angle or something like that. All kinds of options inside this very, very powerful tool. And those are just some of the things you can do with the artistic tool in Enlight.